morning, Miss. For the practical assignment, I will demonstrate how wastewater is being treated through a simple model of working filter system. The common water quality tests, such as pH, will be conducted to check the water quality before and after the treatment. The objective of this experiment is to purify the wastewater for reuse purpose. The expected outcome is to get a clear filtered water. Firstly, prepare the material needed. The wastewater is collected from the drainage. Get the wastewater ready. Then, check the pH and turbidity of the wastewater before the treatment process. By visual inspection, the turbidity of the wastewater is high, while the pH is around 6 to 7. Next, pour the wastewater into the bottle. Put the lid on the bottle and shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Then, pour the water back and forth between the two cups about 10 times. This process is similar as an aeration process. It allows gases trapped in the water to escape and adds oxygen to the water. After that, pour the water back into the container. Add a tablespoon of alum to the water and stir it slowly for 5 minutes. Alum is added to the water so that the negatively charged colloidal particles clump together into flocks, and it can be more easily filtered out from the liquid during filtration process. Now let the water sit undisturbed for 20 minutes for the flocks to settle. Lastly, prepare the water filter system. Use a rubber band to secure the filter paper to the mouth of the bottle with its bottom cut off. Put it upside down. Pour the pebbles into the bottle. Then, pour the coarse sand on top of the pebbles and the fine sand on top of the coarse sand. Carefully pour some clean tap water through the filter system and remove the rinse water out of the container. After that, pour the top 1/3 of the wastewater through the filter. Once all the water has passed through the filter, compare the wastewater to the filtered water. Through the filtration process, the remaining solid particles and flocks are separated and removed from the water. The treated water looks clearer and without unpleasant smell. The wastewater with alum added gives a pH of 4, while the treated wastewater gives a pH of 8. Through this experiment, I understand that the major aim of the filtration system is to remove as much suspended solids as possible in the wastewater. The filtered water from this experiment may be reused for toilet bowl flushing. In order for it suitable to release back to the environment, a proper treatment with disinfection process is needed to remove the bacteria and other microorganisms. If the wastewater is not properly treated, the environment and human health can be negatively impacted. These impacts can include harm to fish and wildlife population, oxygen depletion, and contamination to drinking water.